Hi, everybody. Please, I'm here to talk about Bitcoin Aves. Bitcoin Aves is a circular economy. Yep. Bitcoin Aves is a circular economy in Akachi, Ghana, in the Volta region to be precise. What we do... No, I can't do it.
There's a mouse on the screen. Just 1 second. This is gonna. Yeah. So now you should be able to just click right. Boom.
Yep. That's our team. Kingsley Lavue, the founder, Boji, Emmanuel, a co-founder, and Charles Ponu, also a co-founder. Who we are: a grassroots Bitcoin circular economy and education initiative. What we do, what we have done so far: introduction of community-level education focusing on practical usage of Bitcoin. This is exactly what we do. Bitcoin is already based on proof of work, as you can see on the screen. Local merchant onboarding. So whenever we onboard merchants, we print QR codes and signals for everybody who wants to access the merchant to know that the merchants really accept Bitcoin. And we also put them on the map for anybody who comes to the town. Even if you don't see us, just go to the map, Blink map, BTC map, you will see our merchants. That's it. What we have done so far, even though last year we failed. If I say we failed, you know what it means. We failed. But this year, God willing, this Saturday, we will be harvesting those maize. You can see us in the farm, and the farm is not closer to the town. And running Bitcoin circular economy, coming here this year, I would say it's a plus to our team, because we have suffered so much to reach this stage. What we have done so far, we have tried to secure a study center. I have my mentor here, Anita Posh. She told me Bitcoin circular economy can never stand if you don't educate the people. So that is a plus to us. So if you look at it, we are supposed to start it next week. Opening soon. That's it. To your surprise, it is directly our education center is facing the Fiat Bank directly. That is what's happened, and we don't know why. That is the space that we have gotten. It was a radio station, and they left it, and we pleaded for the space, and they gave it to us. You can see our chairs over there. Our broader vision, that is building a self-sustaining Bitcoin circular economy in Akachi and meeting the essential needs of the community. What do we mean by that? If we farm maize, we will not sell maize. It will be an agro process. We will add value to it before we send to the market. So be expecting a factory in Akachi very soon, where people will buy our items in SAT, and we will pay our workers in SAT as well. So, in effect, it will circulate, as the circular economy means. And another one over here is making Akachi the core of Bitcoin knowledge and practice. What it simply means is that we have a training college, that's it, where they train teachers. So, in effect, we will liaise with the training college to have Bitcoin program with them, so that all the teachers who will come, majority of them will have Bitcoin knowledge before they go, so that they can impart the knowledge into other people. And at the end, we all attain the hyper-Bitcoinization. Thank you very much. That's our handle.